it is finally here. We have a Cybertruck at our service center in Los Angeles, California. Over the holiday weekend during Thanksgiving, I actually saw one in a Tesla showroom, but to see it in flesh, up close and personal, not roped off like most of you probably have seen, I am absolutely to the moon on this. It is so cool. We've been really busy with it all day, test fitting some of our brand new wheels that are in stock, but you know what? It's time. It's time for me to take my first drive in a Cybertruck. Now, the biggest concern is that it's about to start raining here in Los Angeles, but you know what? As Elon Musk said, this truck is built for any planet. So what's a little bit of rain gonna do to this beast? Nothing. Let's hit the road.